Hello everyone, this is Manas here. Today we'll see how to upgrade a AKS cluster. You can see the current version is 1.1511. So we'll just run kubectl version to confirm the version. Okay, you can see the client version is 1.16 and the server version is 1.15. So now let's see how to upgrade the AKS cluster. Before going into the upgrade, let us understand how this upgrade is happening. So by default Azure create one extra node, the surge node, to do this upgradation or to have a minimal impact on the workload that's running on the Kubernetes cluster. So it can drain or cordon off the application running on the candidate to be upgraded. So it drain up application running on that node to that surge node. You can install an extension and then can control the surge value. So you can give it the value that you wanted to, like how many nodes you wanted to be added for this surge protection. Like as per your cluster size, you have to have that quota with your subscription, so that you can have that, like Azure can create that that many of surge nodes. So come back to our point, all these operations will take like 10 minutes by default, and so if you're having like 5 nodes in a cluster, then you'll be using 50 minutes for upgrade. The AKS will be using 50 minutes for upgrade. So if you have more than one node pool, like you have 2 node pools and each node pool is having 5 nodes, and then it will be like 10 nodes and 10 into 10 minutes. So you can see you can expect 100 minutes to take for the upgradation to complete. But again, it depends on your workloads and how fast the AKS can do the upgrade. And if it goes beyond 10 minutes, then 10 minutes into your number of nodes, then AKS will throw you one timeout error. So let's go ahead and see how to do the upgrade. Before doing the upgrade, we will see the current version of our cluster that you can see on the top. On the kubectl get nodes or kubectl version, you can see the client and master client and server version, and then AKS has a specific command to see it. Like you can run Azure AKS. I'll just go to my notepad. You can I'll just explain this command to you, so just paste it here. Yes, we are running this command Azure AKS. So then resource group name and name of my AKS cluster, and output table, it will show us the version. Okay, I have not changed my resource group name. I'll just change it to my resource group name. Just give me a moment. So I've changed the resource group name to my resource group name and the cluster name as well. So let's copy it and I'll just paste it over here. You can see the resource group is Azure AKS RG, and the name of my cluster is testing AKS cluster. I'll just pass on this, enter to run this command. You can see it is showing that name is testing AKS cluster. Location is US, and FQDN, and the most important part is Kubernetes version, that is 1.15.11. and now we'll go for an upgrade. I'll just copy the command that I have prepared. So before that, we'll just see what version is available for upgrade. I'll just copy that and paste it over here. You can see what versions are available for upgrade. So the versions that are available for upgrade is 1.16.8, 1.16.9. so we can choose either of this version. So let's copy 1.16.8 and I'll just change it here on this command and I'll run this Azure AKS upgrade command and give my resource name and resource group name and name of my cluster. Copy and paste it here. Azure AKS upgrade, resource group name and name of my cluster, then Kubernetes version that I wanted to upgrade. The version details I'll give it here and press enter. Are you sure you want to perform this operation? Yes. Since control plane only argument is not specified, this will upgrade the control plane and all the node pools version to 1.16.8. Yes, we want that. This will continue for some time, like as I said before, 10 minutes for each node. We have only one worker node and so it will take around 20 minutes. So let us keep it running. We can go to the cluster and see the status of our current operation. You can see that it is currently showing as upgrading. So you can see you can go to the activity log and see over there about that job. So you can see you have created a job to update the managed cluster 11 minutes ago. So we can see further deep into the event that we have triggered and see what's happening over there. So you can see that the operation is finished, and we can go ahead and see if all the nodes has been changed, like updated or not. We'll just see that, verify that, and that will be done. Our upgradation will be done. So let's go there. I'll just go here. So I'll run the same command again to see if my cluster is upgraded or not. Azure AKS so and resource group name and the cluster name, output table. Yeah, you can see my cluster has been upgraded. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.